Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. And today we are going to talk about how to fix a sunken trampoline in your yard. This video will take you through what you need to do and know about fixing a sunken trampoline, so make sure you stick around for that. Find a spot and mark it out. The first step is to find a desirable spot in your backyard to fix the trampoline. Next, mark out the area you will be digging. For this, you'll need to assemble the trampoline's frame to use it as a measurement guide. Remember to add a bit of allowance in the hole to make it easier to fit the frame. Prepare the hole. This step will require you to refer to your user manual to get the recommended dimensions for the hole, whether circular or rectangular. Ensure you have a measuring instrument to get the right measurements. After completing the first hole, the next step is to prepare the second hole, known as the bowl or bounce area. Assemble the frame. Assemble the trampoline frame using the user manual as a guide to ensure you are properly attaching all the individual parts. With assembling the frame, we recommend you start attaching from the top holes, moving to the bottom holes. Make sure they all fit perfectly to avoid injuries to the users when in use. When done with the assembly, put down the membrane and fit the frame into the hole. Attach the mat. The next step is to attach the mat with the springs to the frame. It is easier to complete this step when you have a helping hand. You can both attach the springs from opposite ends. It helps to achieve an even tension. You can give it a test jump once you are done attaching the mat. Attach the vented pads. Vented pads help to improve the bounce quality and minimize the slapping noise when the trampoline is in use. For this step, refer to your user manual to know how to fix the vented pads on the trampoline. Once that is done, the trampoline will be ready to use. So there you have it. Fixing a sunken trampoline in your yard should be very easy. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.